Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Kate and I welcome to my channel where I trying to start my English channel instead of Russian because I have Russian channel on a Russian version of Trading You, so more than welcome to check that ideas because there is some ideas that's similar to English, but I will try to create more and more information stuff on TradingView on the English version. Today I'm gonna talk about the Bitcoin because the Bitcoin is finally failed, and I was so happy because I was waiting for this. There were too many long position over there. So I will try to explain you what about if you are new in trading and you don't know, different features in order to work correctly, in order to work in the same way. So what can you do? How can you analyze and how can you work as a new trader? Okay, let's start. We have 10 minutes. So let's see the Bitcoin chart. And I take today the chart from Bitstamp. I don't know why, but the guys from Russian traders also tells me that this is like the main chart for the Bitcoin price. I have no idea. For me, it doesn't matter what kind of chart are you going to check. You have to check your working chart. Okay, so let's start. Sometimes we forget about monthly chart, but we need to analyze it first. You remember, the higher chart is it, the more perspective is it. Okay, so let's see. You can see my support and resistance level, and maybe you know that I'm working like from support and resistance level. This is my main strategy, like price action. And what can I do right now? I'm gonna to turn on the volume. Okay, this is our volume. Good, very good. Okay, and what can we see? You see, this is my yellow resistance level right now. So this is the main resistance. And if you can watch this level, you can see that every time the price reacts to this level. This is a good sign for all of us because we can analyze where the down trading or whatever the up trading is gonna start. Okay, so this is, you see, this candle is just close above this level, this candle is just close above and start the uptrend, and you see how we easily break this level, and now we're making consolidation. I will make your sign so you will see. Okay, you will see this sign, that resistance level is still working. And even if we have noticed that some kind of local uptrend for the 400 bucks, I think, or 800 bucks, it's still downtrend, and we can't work with counter trend because this is really risky and this is really dangerous if you're new in trading, and it's really risky to work, to work in counter trend. So this is our main resistance level. What this level can tell you? You can start to analyze uptrend, so the reverse of downtrend, once we will break this resistance level. So once you will see that we will break this resistance level and we will start like somehow of consolidation here, maybe you can open your position, or to add more money to your long position, because we can analyze uptrend. Whenever it will start, we don't know, no one's know. Okay, so now we need to analyze our downtrend. I will explain you where can you take. So this is our weekly chart. Okay, so let's go to weekly chart. Where did I take it? You remember, this is still our resistance level. Okay, so you see, this is a good signal. On the Russian version this time, I know that lots of you guys noticed that some kinds of head and shoulders are creating right now, but you need to be such careful because, lots of people see it, lots of traders see it, lots of people starting opening this position, opening long position, and of course, No one's like it, okay? Because the big player, he wants to win every time, he wants to win. So you need to be careful. You need to open your long position once you see creating head and shoulders or reverse head and shoulders. You can only open your long position just when we will break this resistance level. Until we don't break it, nothing happens. And you see here, this is while we approaching to the resistance level. Every time there is like jump out, so we're making jump out. Of course, this is the short signal. If we go to daily chart, okay, what should we do now? If you don't take a short, you can notice that there is like our main resistance level, and we every time we approaching or we make a retest of this line, every time we jump out. So this is like, it's more short than long, okay? So what should you do? You need to watch this line. This is our local line. If you're new in trader, you need to work only with key levels. If you are going to work with like some kind of price action or horizontal resistance and support lines, it's better for you to work less, to trade less, but your trading will be much more better. You will remember and you will notice how good you can be if you work of resistance and support key level. This is my key level next. Where did I take it? Okay, I took it over here. You see, this is a good combination of resistance and support level. And when you see such combination, this is like, I will show you this arrow, and this is a good sign that every time the price will react one more time in nowadays or in future. Okay, so what should you do right now? You need to watch this local trend. Where did I take it? Of course, I went to 4-hour chart, and I see every time while we approach into this, we are breaking, or we will make it false break, or somehow we are going down. So what do I think? I think that we are going right now even down. Okay, so be careful. If you see so many candles that are red, it doesn't mean that you have to enter your long position immediately when the chart is stopping. No, you need to wait while you will see at least something that will tell you that the uptrend is coming. Don't lose your money, don't lose your trade. Okay, so I think it's kind of short position. You can see how we are going to close these days, so you need to see the daily chart. And to my mind, if we will break this support line, the next stop, let's do like this. Okay, let's tell like this, the next stop is over here. If you are new, you need to work over here so you can see how the chart are going to react on this line. Or if you don't understand where the price is going over here, you need to wait it above the resistance line. So 2 points that you can buy, 2 points you can open your long position here. But remember, you take care, so you should be really careful about opening the position here. And the second point is above your resistance level. In all other situation, you have to remember that this is downtrend. Don't forget the downtrend. Okay, so it's better to open short position or to stay out of position in order to lose the money one more time. You see, what about the volume? The volume is good, so it's normal. We are going to make some kind of flat, okay, some kind of flat position. I think that's it. Okay, comment me, make me some feedback if you like this information, this kind of information. Tell me what you think about the Bitcoin, how the price is going to react these months, or because I heard some opinion that about March or April we are going to have uptrend. Who knows about it? Okay, let's see. Thank you very much for showing my video. Bye bye.